Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Freshdesk AI automations and macros, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Freshdesk AI automations and macros, start by logging into your Freshdesk account. Navigate to the admin panel on the left side of the dashboard. Look for the automations section and click on it. Here, you will see different automation options like ticket updates and ticket creation. Select the category relevant to the automation. Once inside, locate the deleted or archived section if available. This section often contains previously deleted automations and macros. Browse through the list to find the automation or macro you want to restore. After identifying the desired automation or macro, click on the corresponding Restore button. Once restored, the automation will revert to its original settings. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, navigate back to the relevant automation section. Review the settings to confirm that all parameters are as they should be. If any adjustments are needed, go ahead and make those changes. Next, test the restored automation or macro to verify it operates as intended. Create a sample ticket or scenario to initiate the automation. Monitor its execution to ensure it behaves as expected. If issues arise, revisit the settings and correct any discrepancies. Once confirmed, your Freshdesk AI automations and macros will be fully restored and operational. Keep this process in mind for future restorations or adjustments. Regularly review your automations to maintain efficiency in your support processes. This will help enhance your team's productivity and improve customer satisfaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.